studying my customers and recent reports coming from various companies, we will definitely see several trends this 2026 and 2027 year. First one is going to be collaborative AI. It's mostly about amplifying what humans can achieve together through collaboration with AI. Teams that are using AI assistant workflows already report around 40 to 50% increase in productivity and 25% reduction in meeting overhead. That shift is from AI as a tool, AI as a permanent team member. And that's very important because this is about AI being a permanent team member, not from here to there, just a permanent that is completely present all the time in all these workflows that we are performing every day. I have been talking to a person managing the office for board of directors and representatives of executive teams. And having AI as a part of the workflow with preparing documentation, reporting, terms and conditions updating after each meeting, it's that permanent collaboration. She's able to use AI every single day, every single minute to step up and increase that productivity of document management. That's the great example what is going to extrapolate in 2026 and 2027. Second is AI agents will receive new safeguards as they join the workforce. Software that takes multi-step action without human prompts or entering enterprise workflow at the scale. Gartner predicts that 25% of the enterprise software interactions will be agentic by the end of 2026. That brings in huge influence or what we call scaling agentic enterprise. In the transformation work I do and my team does, we see that taking a process and transforming the specific steps to AI agentic infrastructure, it's what companies expect now. The reason is simple behind that. If you decide which part of the process is going to be best for AI agents, then the productivity increase by itself and satisfaction of people will increase as well. Because all the tasks that are tedious, repetitive, not so developing to a human brain are delegated to AI agents, and that AI agents can talk to each other and start automatically specific actions without prompting. That's the second thing they are going to see. The third one is AI shrinks the world's gaps. Microsoft forecasts AI as a primary driver of many industries change: healthcare, safety, driving, services, manufacturing. All these AI agents will specialize, they will meet specific requirements like by lawmakers or internal corporate governance and corporate structure requirements, and then start developing the value. Governance is a big thing right now. People managing AI transformation are taking governance as an integral part of everything they do, which is good because we start using AI responsibly. And from the very beginning, we got to decide that it needs to meet a certain criteria. That's number 3. Number 4 I want to share is AI infrastructure becomes smarter and more efficient. Energy efficient interface chips are distributing all over the model architecture, and the edge computing is also increasing. That means that on one side, the big infrastructure that companies are building is becoming smarter and smarter, more efficient. On the second thing, devices, our computer, laptops, internal infrastructure can handle models without a need of external resources, which brings all of that as the architecture to even higher level of efficiency. That's something that It's going to be here. 2026, it's going to be, and it's already almost a year of AI infrastructure also available to mid-market businesses, which means the cost drops down and the access to this kind of technologies on the infrastructure side, it's going to be bigger. Number five is the human AI workforce takes shape. IDC projects that 60% of the knowledge worker will use AI tools daily by 2026. Microsoft is seeing that increase at the end of 2026. The challenge is not the technology, but the adoption. From my school's AI consulting experience and from our team experience, we'll see that people don't need tools. They need tools, but they need to collaborate to reinvent the whole workflows where AI become part of it. Not every AI model can handle the whole workflows. We got to combine different AI models, different prompting techniques, different rack structures for the same workflows, which means a lot of synergy and collaborations is required here. This is something that becomes the reality, and managers that want to transform companies need to calculate that, have it on the agenda, and make sure they deliver the efficiency change by default.